Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Then let's scroll down and enter version and localize version number. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and then go back to the general list of the settings. Now let's tap on system and update and tap on developer options. So here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the option automatic system updates, and if you've got it turned off, simply tap on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. And of course, whether the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.